Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert different page numbers format in the same Word document. So this is going to be useful if you are creating, say for example, a book or a thesis. And yeah, here's a tutorial. So let's go ahead and basically just click these header. You can definitely put this in the header, or you can also put this down below. So you can just double click and this thing is going to appear. Now, in my case, since majority of the texts are above, I'm gonna put this in the header, just like so. Click page number, top of the page, and I'm gonna choose this one, for example. That way it'd be very visible. So yeah, once we're done, let's go ahead and check everything that is doing good. So we're gonna go back here, page numbers, and let's go ahead and click format page numbers. Let's change this one to this, for example. So I'm going to hit OK, and you can see that now they are applied to all of the Word pages that we have here. So let's go ahead and start make these changes. So we're going to jump to the part where we want to set this as a different format. Say, for example, here in chapter 1. So what we are going to do is head over to the last part, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to find the last okay, there you go. So I just basically choose or click this one and then hit one arrow up, and from here I'm gonna go ahead and look for layout breaks next page. So now that we are here, we can then go ahead and turn this on. So you should be able to see here a section break appearing next page. And then from here, let's delete this one thing. I'm gonna hit delete key, and I'm gonna go ahead and click this. Oops, let's just remove this one for now. I'm gonna go ahead and click the page number, right? Header and footer, link to previous, disable this one, and then page numbers. Let's go ahead and click format page numbers. Choose a different format now. So in this case, I want to use 1, 2, 3, and then start at 1. You can start this at a different number depending on your choice. Hit OK, and then there you go. So there is a different format here, different page format. Let's just close the header, and 1, 2, 3. So yep, that is the easiest way in order for us to insert two different page numbers format in the same Word document.